Has your lawyer or a tax attorney advised you to open up an offshore account? Hi, this is Roger Groh at Groh Asset Management. Today we're here to talk about how you would organize your files from any offshore accounts that you have opened. There are many countries around the world which will enable you to open up an account there. Now remember, offshore accounts don't mean island bank. In some other country than the one that you're in. And because there are close to 200 countries around the world, the laws as to what you must maintain in your files for that account are different. And where you're opening up an account. But at a minimum, what should you keep? Well, like anywhere, keep the documents where you opened up the account. And if they're sending to you statements which show what's in the account, keep copies of that. Even if they're online, keep copies of that. What else should you maintain? Well, you'll have to talk to your lawyer or accountant about that. There might be filings you have to do, and I would keep copies of any filing. There might be restrictions from the country you've come from in terms of what you can do in reporting, and I would keep copies of that also. So this is not for the faint of heart. It's for the very well educated. Be very careful. I'm Roger Groh of Groh Asset, and thank you very much for spending time with me.